Hey, let me explain to you how to break down the profit of a real estate flip. And at the very end, if you stick around, I'll show you how you can get paid 3 times as a realtor while working with me as your investor. So the first thing is you have to establish your after repair value. What is the home worth? From there, you want to establish 5 more things. How much you want in profit, the cost of purchase, the cost of repairs, the cost of carrying, and then the cost of selling. Now, once all of that is established, you can figure out what your purchase price should be. Now let's break these 5 categories down. First, profit. You have to make it worth it for you. So establish whatever number that is. And some deals I'm okay with $30,000 in profit. On some deals I want $300,000 in profit. Second is your cost of purchase. So your inspection costs, your closing costs, your financing costs, anything else associated with purchasing that home. Also your cost of repairs, you have to consider minor repairs, major repairs, structural fixtures, appliances, landscaping, oh shit money, which should be a 20% contingency factor on top. Now you have your total cost of repair. Next is your carrying costs. So if you think the project will take you 6 months, then you have to factor in how much 6 months of taxes, insurance, utilities, monthly debt service, monthly upkeep are. And finally, the cost of sale. I always factor in 6% for commissions, a home warranty, title insurance, and fees that I might pay for the buyer to close, deed stamps. And now you have your total closing costs. And now it's just math. So here's an example that I'm doing right now. My after repair value is 1.4 million. The profit I'd like to make is 300,000. The cost of purchase is going to be about 20,000. The cost of repairs is 264. My carrying costs are 8,400, and the cost of sale is 101,000. This means that I can offer 677,000 for that home. Now I have a generous offer for you. If you're a realtor working with investors and you'd like to make more money, I'll show you a way to get paid 3 times. If you bring the deal to me, I'll pay you a commission when I purchase it. I'll pay you another commission because I'll guarantee that you get the listing at the end, and I'll put you in for equity in the deal, meaning I'll give you a split of the profits with no money in from you. So if you're interested in getting paid 3 times and making way more money on an investor like me, then bring those deals to me. I'll help you review them to see if they're good for you. And if you also want to partner with me on them, we can do that too. And I can show you again how to get paid 3 times on it. Thanks so much and have a great day.